Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use the EDM ThreadingPoint. We are choosing the AgieCharmilles Cut P 550 machine, so now let's go for creating XY selection by selecting window and select the required filters once the system completes its analysis. We will link the geometries and then proceed with the wizard process, where you can directly access the required page and set the necessary parameters. After everything is set, click on Accept and Calculate. Then we move for the Tools option User function, where we select the EDM ThreadingPoint option, where we need to save the file location. Then we can see the codes of the threaded point. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.